What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to create a table of contents in Canva. So what you need to do is open Canva, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we can create a new design. So what we need to do is basically search for a document. So we will select docs and we will create a new document. Now the next step is to go to templates, and there we will search for table of contents, and there you will find it. Now here are all the free templates which are available for Canva. So what you can do is basically go to here, and if you don't have Canva Pro, then you can filter on free versions. So for now I will leave it like this because I have Canva Pro, but if you don't have Canva Pro and you are using the free version, then you can select it over here. Now the next step is to search for a table of contents which you would like to use for your document. Let's say we would like to use this one. Now what we can do is use this table of contents. So I will zoom a little bit out so it is more easy to follow for you. Now we can scroll a little bit down, and here you can find the table of contents. And what we can do is simply edit this text by just clicking on it and select it. After that you can change the text like chapter 1. And the second one also, like chapter 2, you can change it easily by just selecting the text. And you can also adjust the page numbers. Like if this starts at page 1 and this starts at page 2, then you can simply edit this. And this is basically how you can use the table of contents and create it within Canva. You can edit also the colors for yourself, so by clicking on edit, and this edit menu will be opened. Now you can change the color by clicking on it and then select it. And as you can see, you can completely customize the table of contents to your own preferences. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!